and y'all with a song. And if y'all don't, then y'all should follow me on Instagram. Yeah, this is gonna be a hefty video, I can already tell. Hi my baby loves, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for like a hot minute, but if y'all see like the change of background or whatever like that, I have moved into my own apartment. I am now attending university. Also, if y'all see me looking to the side, this is where like I'm actually seeing if I'm in the frame, so yeah. But today I'm just gonna be doing a little hair review, y'all, a little hair update. This has been a long time coming, is what it has been. I've been having this hair for about 2 months, I believe, and I was supposed to be showing y'all a long time ago, but I've been a little busy. The box. This is from Asteria Hair. I don't know if y'all see this. The lighting kind of pull cheese. I'm in the bathroom, but this is from Asteria Hair, the cute boxing. This is, I don't know how many inches this wig is, but I will eventually put it on either side of myself. This is a Precolored straight wig. The lace, it's a lace front, but the lace is only like, probably like an inch or so long, not long, wide. I don't know, the lace is probably like an inch or so wide. I will show y'all the, I don't know why I'm going blank, y'all. Okay, my handy dandy laptop, we got a little dent, whatever, but we ain't gonna pay attention to that. So this right here is what the side says, a piano colored middle part wig. This is a T-shape lace with a 13x4 lace part wig. I believe this is a 24-inch wig. This is also a straight, yeah, this is also a straight wig, but I'm sorry y'all, I got enough attention. Okay, let me pay attention. If y'all see me looking to the side as well, I'm looking to see if I'm in the frame, so just don't mind me. Don't mind where my eyes are going. Just pay attention to the wig, y'all. But yeah, I will leave the links down below. I think this is a 180 density wig. Again, I will put the links in the spec down below, as well as like on either side of me, most likely this side because my face is mostly on this side of the camera. So yeah, this is a medium cap size. I think I underestimated my head because that thing, I wish it would have covered my ears a little bit. That sounds stupid. I wish it would have covered the side of my head a little bit better. Or maybe I just didn't braid down my hair as much as I should have, or as tight as I should have, but whatever. I'm sorry, I keep on saying y'all. I'm really losing count on what I'm gonna say. I will show y'all the pictures of the wig or the inside of the wig, again on either side of this video. But it comes with combs. Yes, it comes with combs in the back and the front. I have a furry blanket and a furry comforter, and I decided to wash Good Sis, and Good Sis did not like that. So that might be a little lengthy, please ignore that. But this hair comes to about my hip. It stops to my hip. I have no problems with tangling of this wig. As well as I don't have any problems with the shedding of this wig. Okay, contrary to that little snag I got. But I have no problems with shedding of this wig either. Again, I've been having this wig for around 2 months. I got tongue-tied. I have conditioned this hair probably once, at the most twice, but I believe I've only conditioned it once. Again, no problems with shedding and or tangling. This lace ends around right here, but it's about yay wide. I believe this is a really good beginner friendly wig. It's not too much lace maintenance is what I'm trying to say. Like, you know, contrary to a wig being about this wide with lace, it's really easy to maintain, really easy to lay because it's just not that much lace to begin with. I'm gonna show y'all what this came with. I'm sorry if I'm saying a lot, y'all. I have lost track of what I was trying to say. have made notes, but I don't know where they're at because my memory's trash. This came with a wig cap. Wait, let me do like the YouTubers do. Wait. That didn't even have, oh yes it did. This came with a wig cap as well as a little card that shows you guys their social media and their ways to contact them as well. This card also has the washing instructions on it, as well as it mentions you have 15-day return. Well, let me read it. Let me not lie to y'all. If not satisfied, Asteria offers 15-day returns, no wigs, no use. What? If the hair isn't to your liking, email us at service@asteriahair.com. We will help you out start the return process. I know I read that a little raggedy, but if y'all want to read for yourselves, then I'm gonna just put that thing right there. Y'all can just pause it. But they do have a return policy, so that's really good. This packaging was actually really cute. I love the color scheme of it. This also came with a little baggie that I have not opened after these 2 long months of having it. Comes with a little hair wrap, thingalingy-lingy. So you can just wrap your edges. This is really cute, y'all. This is really good quality silk. As well as a bag that you can put the wig in whenever you are not using it and not having it on your head. So it comes with that as well. This stuff is really cute, y'all. Really good quality. As far as split ends, let me check it out for y'all. Split ends, I know I didn't have any split ends when I first received the hair. I didn't have any problems with split ends, as well as dryness, but it's not dry anymore. It's not dry right now. It was never dry to begin with, but I do have a couple of split ends. But again, I've been having the hair for some months. I've been having the hair for some time, not too long, but whatever. It's under my care. This hair is really easy to straighten, as well as really full at the ends. Hold on, let me show y'all. Oh, doggy. Sorry again. Wait a minute, y'all. Okay, so this hair is really full from the ends to the roots. So there's that. Oh my gosh, okay. But yeah, the hair is really full from the ends to the roots. I really like this hair. I would say that the price, how do I put this? It's on the pricier ranges of the hairs that, that doesn't make any sense. It's on the pricier range of the hair that I have reviewed. I think this hair is around $200 and something, but it actually is really good quality. So if you're the type of person that will pay $200+ for some hair, sis, then go ahead. I said go ahead. Sis, then go at it. Go do what you do, girl. But yeah, I will copy a link down below of this direct link to the hair. They also have straight hair as well as, I believe, deep wave and some other really good options. So yeah, I would recommend this hair. I did wear this hair for my birthday. I do have birthday pictures from that. So if y'all follow me on Instagram at x.cahtlinn, x.cahtlinn, then y'all would have saw. And if y'all don't, then y'all should follow me on Instagram. But I believe that's all I want to say. Oh, so it did not, I always forget this part, y'all. It did not come with a smell. Wait, did it? Yeah, no, it did not come with a smell when I wash it. It's the little slightest smell ever, but other than that, it goes away. It doesn't have a smell right now. Again, this is really good hair, really thick hair, good quality. I would suggest it. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, okay, so the parting space of the wig, not too much of my wig ain't laid, y'all. I did the best at the last minute. But the parting space of the wig, it stops from right here to right here. I would say, me personally, I would prefer if the part went so tiny bit, like right here or something like that. But it's okay. It's still decent looking. It still looks pretty natural. It still lays pretty flat. Again, I will put in the pictures of how the hair looks from the inside out of the wig or whatever. But okay. I feel like this video was fast. I feel like this was a very fast video. I'll probably do a voiceover if I forgot anything else, or yeah, but okay, y'all. Yeah, all right. Thank you for watching my video. I will get back to y'all soon on another video, probably some more wig videos, because that's my specialty. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all with some more videos, and I love y'all, and thank y'all for being patient with me. And y'all should go check out my last video on how I lay my wigs, better than what's laying on my hair right now, but a glueless lace front layage type of thing going on. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe, and as well as follow me on Instagram at x.cahtlinn, and follow me on Twitter at it's just cahtlinn, Caitlin. So all right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.